Hello, my name's James Lawton, and I live in Forks, Washington, Washington State, United States of America, and I'm taking Geoff Lawton's permaculture design certification course. I took the first class due to some hardships and things that I'm turning this in a little bit late, but they are allowing us to do that, and I'm trying to finish this project in time. I think I have a good design. My son and I used Minecraft to recreate the property, and I'll be taking you for a short tour through that here momentarily. And I guess I'll start that tour now. Like I said, I live in Forks, Washington. I have 1.12 acre property in Lawton County. My climate here is cool temperate, and my USDA hardiness zone 8A. Many consider this area a temperate rainforest, collecting a yearly average of over 120 inches a year of rain. We get over 200 days annually with measurable precipitation and an average yearly high temperature of 58 degrees, average low temperature of 41 degrees. My first frost or last frost date is May 21st, and first frost date of around October 10th through 21st. All the paperwork I'll be submitting separately in PDF formats or GIFs pictures, but we'll start here. In my world right now on Minecraft, it's nighttime. You can see the property. There's the house. Let's see here. Okay, there's an inverted look. Okay, I had to use a potion. Here's the property. This would be the east side of the property, and the far west being over there. Great solar aspect of this property, as you can tell. This would be the south facing side here, and the north up on this side. The water doesn't actually flow to this degree, but that shows the runoff and water collections from the shop building, which is also a barn, and this is our house, and it's not completely to scale, but this will give you a pretty good idea of what's going on here, and the animals are automatically put in. So in the front of the house, we bought this property before I learned anything about permaculture, which is fine. I got some small paddock areas up here, and I have some more food forest to put in over in this area. And then there's the house and a covered deck here, and then on the south side of the property, an attached greenhouse, and I'll take you through that momentarily. Just outside in our zone 1 area, I'll have raised bed gardens. Looks like the game has put giant spiders in here, which I'm not really too happy about. But row crops here, chicken house in there, rabbits, and etc. Anyway, a south-facing greenhouse. I'll show you a little bit more about that, and then the pond. Oh shoot, I gotta. Okay, so we'll go to the two. Oh, it looks like the sun's going to come up. That's good. Okay, so you see the front of the property. We'll go in the front door. You have bedrooms. Actually, if this was similar, this would be actually the house, the room that I'd be in. The back door of the house. Okay, bedroom, which will go into the greenhouse on the south side of the property. You can see that we use stone and a thermal mass to absorb sunlight and radiate heat in this area, and then the greenhouse, and this back into the house also. We'll go out here on this covered deck area. That's quite nice. And now our shop and shed. We got some animals in here, and that's been converted. And this area is more of my pasture land area. And we'll give you a little bit of a vertical look. The driveway is previously put in already. So this is our perennial food forest area. I need to put some more trees in, but I've spent almost 10 hours just on developing this. Zone 5 at the back of the property, and then like I said, the water represents a small pond here, but the water flow, and we'll use cisterns on the corner for the house for water collection, and for this for water collection, the shop for water collection. We get around 200 inches of rain a year plus, so that's really nice. And then we'll zoom over here and take a look. We got a pond put in here. We'll probably use a turkey nest type pond. A little dock here. It's kind of fun just to mess around with this program, Minecraft. I mean, everything's very blocky, and there's only a few crops that you can put in. Wheat, and there's ferns and carrots you can see there, and some flowers. And then I'll show you here the greenhouse. Again, greenhouse, south facing for solar aspect. Smaller plants in the front. These are melons on the game. But again, thermal mass in the back to collect solar energy and radiate it through the day. One of the things I would like to add to this type of system also is a rocket mass heater. And we'll go outside here. And on the north side of the building, we'll have mushrooms and a variety of type mushrooms back there on the north side where they're shaded and damp. And then our chicken house, and we'll have rabbits also, and then maybe a couple sheep. But this is a rotational paddock shifting system, which I had a little bit of trouble making the gates and things work. I probably shouldn't have spent as much time as I did on that. But anyway, so this is my Minecraft world, and it's actually fairly close to scale of the property. And so I don't know if anybody else did a design using Minecraft, but it's my first attempt, and like I said, I put a lot of hours, and I'm pretty happy with the way it came out. So that'll be it. Thank you, and hopefully I'll get my certification. Bye.